Get strong.
Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where we teach boomers how to use tech to make their lives easier. In this video, we're going to look at iPad Basics Part 7, the Control Center. Let's check it out. In order to use the Control Center, you take your finger from the top right-hand corner and you just slide it, drag it down, and then the Control Center will come up. In the Control Center, you have several features that you can use, starting with the airplane mode. When you tap on the airplane mode, it will light up. To turn it off, you simply tap it again. If you have a LTE network on your iPad, if you tap it, it will light up. To disable it, you tap it again and the light goes away. Next, you have your Wi-Fi. If you tap it, you turn on the Wi-Fi, it will light up. And to turn it off, you tap it again and it turns off. The Bluetooth. If you have other Bluetooth devices that you have connected or you would like to connect them, in order to do that, you tap the Bluetooth and it will light up as you see here. To turn it off or disable it, you simply tap it again. Next to this panel, you have your other panel, which is your media panel. Now, if you had media on here, then you would be able to control your media, forward or reverse, pause, or play by simply tapping it. Then we have next up under your network panel, you have your screen lock. Now, if your screen was either set to horizontal or portrait mode, you could lock it by tapping the screen lock, and it will lock it in that particular mode, which means that it would not change. Next to the screen lock, you have your do not disturb. You tap on it. If it's lit, then that means that you will not receive any messages or anything on your iPad from either the network or Wi-Fi. Directly below it, you have your screen mirroring. If you had other devices within this vicinity, it would pick those devices up, and then you could mirror what's on this screen to the device that you have connected to it. Next to it, you have your brightness. Now, you can increase your brightness by simply tapping it and dragging it up, or decrease your brightness by simply dragging it down. Next to the brightness, you have your sound. Now, you can, again, increase it by dragging it up, or decrease the sound by dragging it down. Directly below it, you could set up various accessories or scenes that you add on a home screen will appear here. For example, if you had something like Apple's TV or any of the Apple auxiliary devices, you could have it on in this particular space. Directly below it, you have your accessories. You can add different accessories onto it. For example, here you see the recorder, and then next to it you see the alarm. These are accessories that you can add to your control center. Now, if you wanted to add more accessories to your control center, you simply go to your settings, tap on settings, and then you go to where it says Control Center, tap on Control Center, and then you scroll down to where it says More Controls, and whatever you want to add to it, you can. For example, we're going to add the flashlight. So you just simply tap the plus, and you'll notice that the flashlight is added up here included with the controls. Now, if you go back to your control center, you will notice the flashlight is at the bottom. Now, this has been a quick tutorial on how you can use your control center. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and we will see you in our next video.
Be strong.